European water vole. Ah, the European water vole. What a charming little creature. Also known as Arvicola amphibius, these guys are semi-aquatic rodents that can be found in a variety of wetland habitats across Europe and parts of Asia. They're great swimmers, with their partially webbed feet, and they spend a lot of their time near water, munching on vegetation like grasses and sedges. Unfortunately, they've faced some challenges, particularly in the form of habitat loss and predation. Conservation efforts have been underway to protect these cuties, and I hope they continue to thrive in their watery homes. Anything specific you want to know about them? Absolutely, let's dive into some European water vole life facts. Number 1. Habitat and range. European water voles are often found in a variety of wetland habitats, including rivers, streams, ponds, marshes, and ditches. Number 2. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of vegetation such as grasses, sedges, and other aquatic plants. They are herbivores, munching away on greenery. Number 3. Activity patterns. These little rodents are mainly crepuscular, which means they are most active during the dawn and dusk periods. This behavior helps them avoid predators. Number 4. Reproduction. European water voles typically have several litters per year, especially during the warmer months. A typical litter may consist of around 5 or so young voles. Number 5. Adaptations for aquatic life. They have partially webbed feet, which aids them in swimming and navigating through aquatic environments. Number 6. Burrowing. Water voles are excellent burrowers. They create elaborate burrow systems with entrances both above and below the water level. These burrows provide shelter and protection. Number 7. Conservation status. Sadly, the European water vole has faced population declines in some regions due to habitat loss, pollution, and predation by introduced species such as the American mink. Number 8. Conservation efforts. Conservation initiatives often focus on habitat restoration, controlling invasive species, and raising awareness about the importance of preserving wetland ecosystems for these charming rodents. Remember, these little guys play a vital role in the ecosystem, and efforts to protect them contribute to the overall health of their habitats. Anything else you're curious about regarding European water voles? European water voles face a range of biological challenges that impact their populations and overall well-being. Some of these challenges include: Number 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Urbanization, agriculture, and infrastructure development can lead to the loss and fragmentation of wetland habitats that water voles rely on. This limits their available living space and can isolate populations. Number 2. Predation. Introduced predators, especially the American mink, pose a significant threat to water voles. The mink is a more efficient predator and can have devastating effects on water vole populations. Number 3. Competition. Competition for resources with other species, both native and non-native, can be a challenge. Changes in the composition of plant and animal communities in their habitat may affect the availability of suitable food and shelter. Number 4. Water quality. Pollution of water bodies, including contamination from agricultural runoff and industrial activities, can impact the quality of the water that water voles depend on for drinking and foraging. Number 5. Disease. Like many wildlife species, water voles are susceptible to diseases. Changes in environmental conditions, stress, or the introduction of pathogens can lead to outbreaks and impact population health. Number 6. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns, such as alterations in temperature and precipitation, can affect the availability of suitable habitats and impact the distribution of food sources for water voles. Conservation efforts are crucial to addressing these challenges. Habitat restoration, predator control programs, and raising awareness about the importance of wetland ecosystems are some of the strategies employed to protect European water voles. It's a delicate balance, but efforts to conserve these charming rodents contribute to the broader goal of preserving biodiversity and maintaining healthy ecosystems. Anything else on your mind regarding these little water-loving creatures?